This is the Ramal Excel sheet app video in English. I have made this almost 36 pages in Ramal. That's are different styles. This is normal Ramal. When you put your question here when I will get married. The married question is available for 1 and 7. You have to change this number 1 and 7. Then you have to take the 4 cards and put this 4 card according to this. When you put this, if you put, you got 5, you got 7, you get 9, you get 1. Then you put, this will calculate automatically. And you go down, here is 1 and 7. Answer is this. The answer should be not given today, come another next day. Okay. So, now we will go for the second one. It's a Dhruvank method. When you put the Dhruvank method, you have to write a question, and here the question already is there. Will I meet my friend? And your 4 questions should be put over here. This will do the automatic calculation over here. He will put the Dhruvank method over here. Answer will be coming is 1, and if you see the 1 is the, and according to that you can say no, today you will not meet your friend. Okay. Then if the customer comes to you and say when will I get married, and he on online, and he gives you randomly number from 16 to 99, this will, you have to put over here 77, 21, 64 and 79. This will automatically calculate your answer, and he will give the answer here 1 and 7. Yes, this year you will get engaged. You can predict on this. Even if the Dhruvank method you want to put, you can put over here the Dhruvank method and take the all the item you want from here. In this way I have made this the automatic giving answer. Today I will earn money. You have to not put over your number because it will take automatic. Example, the person loves me or not. Then if you write person loves me or not, here you have to write the number. It's a reverse system. One number is here you can put 7, here 3, the third card will be 9, and your fourth card will be 14. The answer will come no. It's no love and no attraction. So you forget that person. Your answer will all come no love and no attraction. But you have to take here. You get automatic answer over here. In this way I mean all 3 also. Here if the the person comes with a new shop with partnership or joint venture, then here you don't not have to change this. This will